Hello, all my gods and goddesses. I'm so glad you made it here today. We're gonna go on a little adventure and have a little talk. I love you guys. Enjoy. My goal is 1,000 subscribers, so if you'd like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. This video is about predators hunting my sparrows. Yeah, and I don't know what kind of bird this is, so if you would, leave it in the comments. Living out here, well, there's a lot going on up in these trees and up in the skies. Check this out, folks. Mind you, I'm looking out my window. Check this guy out. Is this a falcon or a hawk? He's eating something. He done caught him something. He's tugging on that. Looks like a mouse. Hello there, Mr. Falcon. Are you a falcon or a hawk? He done hunted something. I don't know what the heck that is he eat. He's a full bird, that's for sure. Doing his work. Doing his work. Keeping all the mice and stuff away. Hey, fella. Hey, fella, could you look this way? I know that meal is good. I bet he's huge when he flies. I want to see him fly. This is a pretty big bird, about the size of a chicken. Maybe a little smaller. What if it's a chicken hawk? I'm thinking a falcon. Put it in the comments, y'all, if you know what kind of predator bird this is. Hawk? Falcon? It's about the size, a little bit smaller than a chicken. More like a guinea. But it is beautiful. Beautiful bird of prey. And he's definitely taking care of my yard. 'Cause I don't have no mice or problems out here, and I see why. You beautiful man or woman, male or female, you're cute. You're a cute bird. Poor Granny's interested in wildlife. Majestic animals that you don't see every day. Doing what they do naturally. And I just want y'all to take a good look at this beautiful animal. And wherever you're at, pick up the garbage and keep the earth clean. Let's keep our earth clean for all these beautiful creatures and humanity. such a beautiful animal. I wish he or she would turn around. Whatever that bird is eating, he sure didn't make a pile of feathers. It looks like it may be another bird. There's millions of sparrows and stuff around here. This might be a chicken hawk. I hope he didn't get in the chicken coop. But yeah, that's a bunch of wings, I think, or feathers around here. I'm not sure. But whatever he's been eating on it for a while. You might be here all day long. It's cool though, cool. Hey! Look this way! Well, I'm gonna go, y'all. I wish I could see the front of this bird, but it ain't turning around. It's beautiful though. Beautiful bird. If you know what kind of bird this is, put it in the comment. I'm interested to know because I have a lot of them around here. And I also have a lot of sparrows and songbirds. And I hope he ain't got one of my sparrows, but he might. I hope it's an old field mouse. Check this out, y'all. We got a lot going on out here tonight. Mr. Black is right up there. He's watching. He's watching him. This is a falcon or a hawk. Looks like he got a hold of one of our sparrows. He has angered the ravens. The ravens aren't too happy. He's looking at the ravens. The ravens are above, watching him. They're watching. They're watching him. They're watching him. They're watching him. Before Granny, you know, I have a lot going on when it comes to the wildlife, y'all. Lots of wildlife. Hawk, falcon. Ooh, he went and did that. Oh, Lord, on TV, too. When you see how they do it, they ain't giving a darn. He's real beautiful, all speckled. He's worried about Mr. Black, the raven, 'cause he done got him what looks like a sparrow. Whatever it is, he took all the feathers off. And the ravens aren't too happy. They're not. The ravens are looking at Mr. Falcon Hawk, or maybe he's a chicken hawk, but they know he's not supposed to be here. But he comes. Look at him over there. They're like watching him. There's a lot of them and only one of him. There's only one of him. And millions of ravens. Ooh, he done took off because of them. They scared him. They scared him off. They're right up in the tree. Yeah, my trees get full of these birds. But yeah, it's fun to watch. I'll catch y'all later. Enjoy. Yeah, while I'm making these videos, I just want to show you what I see through an old lady's eyes. Yeah, 62-year-old lady shooting videos for you. Look, they're in migration. Ravens, crows, in migration, folks. So beautiful. Wildlife is much like humanity. They always amaze old Granny. Ravens perched in the old oak tree. Ravens. Oh, euphoric Granny is migrating like the birds. Just listen. The raven has been with me since birth, all my life. Yeah, they watch over me. They're watchers. And it's sunset. Every December in the winter season, they migrate with me. You know, from the great Pacific Northwest, all the way south, they come. They move with old Granny, these old ravens. The days go short and the nights long. It's cold outside, and they whisper, I'm here, I'm here. So beautiful, these majestic birds. Y'all quit making all that noise. Look at it, they're going both directions. Let's look at the tree in summer. Summer. Same tree. No matter what the season is, I'm home. And y'all shine like the sunrise. You shine. You shine. Trying to film the ravens and y'all make noise. All this barn noise. Barnyard animals making noise. Messing around. Yeah! Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.